Hi, today we'll explore a core concept of KaibanJS, tasks. They are clear actions with specific outcomes assigned to agents for completion. Now, let's see how tasks are created in KaibanJS. Using the task class, you define what needs to be done, the expected outcome, and the agent responsible. This way, every agent knows their role and the desired result. Each task in KaibanJS has key attributes that give it structure. Let's explore the most important ones: description, expected output, assigned agent, and additional settings like task status or external validation. Let's see these attributes in action. Here we define a search task. The description attribute defines what the task is about. For example, search for detailed information about the sports query. Who won the Copa America in 2024? The expected output specifies what the agent should deliver. In this case, a report with key players, key moments, and final score. The agent property shows who is responsible for completing the task. Scout, our search agent, gathers the data, while Writer compiles it into a comprehensive article. Each agent has a clear role to play in the process. The external validation attribute determines if an additional check is needed. For the writing task, validation is required to ensure the article meets quality standards. Executing these tasks has provided the detailed report we needed, meeting all expectations seamlessly. Tasks drive agents in KaibanJS. Clear definitions keep projects on track. Thanks for watching. Check our docs to learn more. See you next time.